On my previous video, you witnessed me navigating the streets of Maseru for the first time, from getting bamboozled with the drive-through immigration. They basically have a drive-through immigration. This is one of a kind. Checking into my hotel, trying the national beer. It's not strong. And choosing Basotho hats, and just basically navigating the streets of Maseru, Lesotho. In this video, I'll be driving 2 hours to the beautiful village of Semonkong, found in the south of Lesotho, where I'll be chasing one of the highest waterfalls in the world, found in this area. So just got here at Semonkong. The weather is chilly, not like very cold. As you can see, I'm actually wearing shorts, so it's not that cold. And this is my accommodation. I'm not gonna be doing much. I'm just gonna go for dinner. They also have a restaurant here, then go to sleep. So let me give you a quick tour before I mess up the bed with my clothes and my electronics. Quick room tour before I mess things up. So this is the outside. You have your own balcony, and that's the other room. I'm room 8, and this is how it looks. You have a fireplace there, and you can call out someone to help you with the fire if you're not as handy as some of us. And then there's your wood, then there's water that came very handy, then this rustic cupboard, love this, the texture and everything. Then here is your bed with some Basotho charms, beautiful. And then here is your bathroom. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful space. I'm sorry, I wanted to ask regarding drinks. Do you have a drinks menu?
Yeah, we do have a drink.
Do you have a Chardonnay? Can I have a Chardonnay? A glass of Chardonnay, white wine. And I'm just gonna order the oxtail. Is it good?
To order?
The oxtail, slow cooked oxtail.
Okay.
Cheese served with pomelo puree. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have that and a glass of wine. It's raining. Oh my god, it's quite chilly. I'm not sure if you can hear me because there's a river here just by the lodge entrance from the falls. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Welcome to Lesotho, man. This is so beautiful. And this is just like a pinch of what this country has to offer. Oh my god. Anyway, so the plan now is I'm walking up to the village, Semonkong village. I think I'm gonna go get a Lesotho blanket, which is to complete my attire. If you saw my Maseru vlog, I bought a Lesotho Basotho hat. So now I'm gonna get the blanket. At the hotel they do have them, but no much variety. They only have one. It is a bit purplish, and I'm looking for that generic look when someone sees me. It's like, you are from Lesotho, you are our people. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk. I'm not gonna drive because the road is extremely bad at this small part, and I'd rather save that for checkout. So beautiful. As I was saying, this road is quite rocky. Like, maybe it doesn't look as dangerous, but if you're coming down, I'm glad my car is a bit high, but I've seen like shorter cars like Polos also pull it through, so it's not that bad maybe. Oh my god. Oof. Isn't this too early for a hike? Oof. Oof. Semonkong is a community council located in the Maseru district of Lesotho. Semonkong, meaning place of smoke, was established in the 1880s as a refugee for the Basotho displaced by the Ganwa. It's located close to several natural features, including the famous Maletsunyane Falls. I was directed to a store and I thought it's gonna be like called Daily Needs. I thought it's gonna be a store with just like blankets, but so these are the blankets. This is the one that I want to get, and then they have different blankets here. They have the orange, they have different things. They are 90, 70. I keep forgetting their currency. They have got a huge selection, but they also have, like, you know, rainy boots. They have just like your daily groceries. It's like a big supermarket in the village, literally, because they have everything, tomato sauce and stuff. So in case you forgot to buy stuff from the main city, like in Maseru maybe, there's still something here. So I'm happy. Let's now go pay, and they take card as well, which is good. So yeah.
All right.
Oh, okay. It looks fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
We have to check it whether there's no problem. Your fault. I mean.
Not sure if it's on sale or on discount, but I bought this for half the price that was there at the thing. It was $9.70, but I bought it for $4.50. If you ask me, that's a bargain, because the hotel they were selling similar ones, theirs are a bit bigger, maybe better quality, for 1,200. So I guess a budget king, traveling or at home. So now I'm gonna go and do my horse thing. So excited. The weather is beautiful. I'm just loving it here. I mean, maybe it's too early to say I'll move here, but it's beautiful. So I'm about to start the horse riding. I'm here with Kwele from Semonkong Hotel. So how long does it take going up with the horse?
Of course. Maybe 2 hours.
2 hours.
1 hour to go.
1 hour to come back. And if someone decides to just hike up, like just walk up,
maybe 3 hours.
oh okay, like just one way or two ways?
One way and two. One way and another way.
Oh okay, like going and coming back. Okay, thanks. I can put it on.
All right.
So guys, we are just a few minutes into our I don't know what you call this, horse riding into the falls, and it's so beautiful. Like, look at the mountains. It's so
Left.
beautiful. Oh, left. Okay. Oops. And every time I fix this thing here, this Lesotho blanket, I keep thinking like I'm a makoti. You know those I've seen in South Africa, and the women when they're getting married on the ceremony, they do wear this. Just got here at the waterfalls, Maletsunyane waterfalls, the highest waterfall, 198 standing high. Before I show you, I just want to tell you, horse riding is not for the weak. If you don't have nyash, please just walk yourself, because you're gonna hurt your bones, especially when the horse like runs a little bit faster. He usually walks, but when it's muddy, he kind of tries to run to get a grip, and if you don't have nyash, you shall suffer. But anyway guys, see the beautiful views of Maletsunyane, I'm pronouncing it right, Maletsunyane waterfalls. Guys, this is beautiful, breathtaking. God took his time with this place. No, what a wow. Maletsunyane Falls are the highest waterfall in Southern Africa, 192 meter high, falling in single drops, creating a mist as water plummetes into a spectacular gorge. It also holds a Guinness record of the longest commercial operated upsail in the world from 2005, that is also operated by the Semonkong Lodge. Picture time, guys. Okay, let me just set this here. Glasses, I hate them. I hate how I look with my glasses.
Okay.
Things just to note, please try get a rain jacket whatever season that you're visiting. Please don't forget to get a rain jacket, because it's in the mountains and anything can happen, and it's gonna start pouring with rain anytime. I saw it was raining when we got here, then it changed and now it's raining again, so it's giving bipolar. The other thing I said, you need to bring some beverages with you. Sadly, the only beverage I have is gin and tonic, but please bring water with you, because hiking, I mean, with the horse is already painful. Going down to see the waterfall closer than up, it's a lot, but it's raining. I really enjoyed this whole entire experience. It was such a top tier experience. 10 out of 10. I